Hello everyone, my name is Mharz, and in today's video, we are going to unbox this thing. So, this thing is something that I ordered from Lazada from Hong Kong, and I'm honestly quite nervous because this is the first time I've spent a lot of money ordering stuffs online. I hope this is the thing that I have ordered and I have not been just sent a bunch of rocks. So anyway, let's go unbox this. Okay, let's go. Okay, so first concern, I usually don't whine when the package is crumpled, but in this case, I am deeply concerned with this hose right here. It looks like somebody poked a hole into the box, which is concerning, and quite frankly, I am scared. So let's hope nothing is damaged and there's no rocks here, okay? So this is also video evidence in case that there is something wrong with this order. So let's get the cutter right here, and I'm gonna just slice it right through. I block out the address, my address at least. So let's hope nothing is broken or there really is something here. Because I'll be sad if I don't, because it's a hassle when it comes to online orders. Alright, so I've opened it all. Here we go, folks. Oh, I like that they added like this. What is this? Preggies. An airbag? That's cool. I didn't know that's a thing. But anyway, yes, in case you have not seen, it is a, drum roll please, a camera. It's a camera. It's a camera. All right. And it looks like it's not just a box. So hopefully, there's an actual camera here, because I am excited, because quite frankly, this action camera that I am using, it's starting to act up, particularly the batteries. So yeah, anyway, let's open the box. Okay, let's hope and pray to the heavens there's an actual camera in here. There we go. Hallelujah. So there's this, the seller, Best Zone D. And we have to open up the camera. Okay. Ooh, free gift. What is this free gift? Oh, it's a like the ones you use to clean glasses. And glasses, I mean the ones you wear, glasses. I guess you can use that to clean the lens, so that's very nice of them. It would be nice if they give an SD card, but you know, beggars can't be choosers. So, here we go. My God, did I poke that? That's not me. But is there a camera here? Only one way to find out. This is a charger. Got the charger, and here we go. Here we go. Oh, this is the actual body. It's in the flesh. It's here. Thank God it's not rocks. Oh my God, I'm so relieved. Because you know, if you know the price of this, I'd be nervous too if I didn't get a camera. So there we go. Oh my god. Oh, this is the first time I've owned this kind of camera. I've had digital cameras before, but never something as fancy as this and as pricey as this. So you can flip the screen. We'll test out. Well, since we got the camera, we do need to test out if it works. So yeah, let's do that later on. Okay, this one is, it is the lens, guys. I have never hold a camera lens in my life. So this is the first time, and this is the lens. So we're gonna attach that later on. Actually, yeah, so let's see what the contents of the box first. So this is, I think this is a charger. So yep, that's a charger. And this is the battery, LPE12. So we're gonna I would need extras for that eventually, but for now one would do. And the string, we're gonna attach that because it's we can use that for stabilizing stuff. So okay, so that's the box. So how's about let's assemble this and see if this works. All right, okay, so I believe the battery is in the bottom part. Okay, okay, I think that's right. So let's see, and to attach the lens, I don't know. Oh my god, I'm so sorry guys if you're a camera enthusiast. I'm just an absolute nerd. I assume you just put it like this. Oh no. Okay, there's a sensor here. Okay. All right. I did it, guys. I did it. So there's the camera. And if I take this off, okay. Yeah. Here we go. Okay. So let's, how about we turn it on? I think I'm gonna turn this on here. Yes! We got thingy. There we go. Okay. And there we go. Push and hold the lens in up direction. Then rotate lens. I took it off. No. What I did? I'm so dumb. Okay. This is what it's talking about. Oh my god. I am so dumb. This is what they're talking about. So and then rotate lens. Ooh. Oh. Yeah. We're gonna do the adjustments later. I just want to see. Look at that, guys. Oh, it's working. So that's zoom, I think, or that's the millimeter. And this is aperture. What is this? And it's saying that it's low bat, so I need to charge that. So yeah, it's working, guys. Whee! So I'm gonna just charge this first. Push and study how this works. Alright, so I'll see you, and after that, yeah, we are going to field test this. Okay. Alright guys, so I am testing out the camera. I'm outside for once. Oh my goodness. So I'm just walking around the neighborhood. There's a lot of people apparently going out here and playing around because it's the afternoon. It's almost 6 p.m. so I think I don't actually have to edit the videos first, but I think I got some great shots. Probably I mean it's just a matter of my skill actually. So anyway, I'm also sound testing this kaya so let's see if there's like wind noise, and you can probably hear a lot of kids playing, but all in all, I am pretty satisfied with this camera, and I will be using this from now on. So I need to cross the road. So thank you so much for watching. Smash the subscribe button. I will see you in the next video. Bye.